Hi, my name is Colleen Gleason, and I'm a research fellow in CHIRP, and this study examines executive functioning as a mediator of the relationship between racial discrimination and anger coping. Anger is a well-documented consequence of exposure to racial discrimination. In addition, exposure to discrimination demands effortful cognitive processing, which may deplete cognitive resources, undermining executive functions. Executive functions are top-down mental processes involved in the cognitive control of behavior and are important for coping and emotion regulation responses to stress. Executive functioning may partly explain anger coping responses to discrimination, such that individuals experiencing negative cognitive effects of discrimination may manage anger differently. Anger coping is a multidimensional construct. This study focuses on anger expression and anger suppression. Anger expression is the outward verbal or behavioral expression of anger, and anger suppression is the attempt to hide anger or hold feelings in. This study focused primarily on one core executive function, cognitive flexibility, which refers to the ability to switch perspectives and change thinking about emotion, behavioral, or contextual information. The sample consisted of community-dwelling adults recruited from a local hospital. Discrimination was measured with the brief perceived ethnic discrimination questionnaire community version. Anger coping was measured with a modified version of the Spielberger anger expression scale. And executive functioning was assessed using computerized cognitive tests from the NIH Toolbox Cognition Battery. We observed significant positive total effects of discrimination on anger expression and anger suppression. The indirect effect of past-week discrimination through cognitive flexibility was only significant for anger expression, suggesting that cognitive flexibility partially mediates the relationship between recent discrimination and anger expression. The current study offers evidence that cognitive flexibility may underlie coping and emotion regulation strategy selection in response to discrimination, and specifically that individuals more cognitively burdened by discrimination are more likely to outwardly express anger. Thank you.